Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Back up your GTA V save and mods so you can revert if needed. Install OpenRoman 4 and Script Hook V because they let you load custom ASI files and handle native calls. This is why stability matters. Once done, place the SRT ASI or mod folder into your game directory using OpenRoman 4 edit mode. Make sure files go into the main game root, not a subfolder, so the loader finds them immediately and avoids permission conflicts. Now you perform the detailed installation and configuration steps. Copy the SC and NE DLL files into the GTA V root so Script Hook V will load them at launch. This is how automatic injection works. Open the mod's config. Init and set keybinds, language, or sensitivity so behavior matches your expectations because defaults often conflict. Once configured, launch GTA V once to let the mod create logs and data files, then quit and confirm the files updated properly. Finish by testing SRT in a single-player session so corrupt saves or online flags won't interfere. Use the configured keybinds and verify overlays or outputs appear. If the game crashes on launch, remove the most recent mod or plugin and reintroduce files one at a time to isolate the conflict. Make sure to check the Script Hook vlog and the mod's console output for missing dependencies or version mismatches. Resolving those quickly restores stable SRT functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.